Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by assembling the essential parts so you can build immediately. Connect the electret mic to the breadboard, run V+ through a 1K omega resistor to the mic's bias pin, and tie the mic ground to common ground. Once done, attach the 3.5 mm jack's tip to the mic signal and the sleeve to ground. Make sure to power the circuit with the 9V battery while monitoring current with a multimeter. This prevents overbias and protects the mic element. Now you build the preamp so your signal is usable for recorders. Install an op-amp in a non-inverting configuration, use a feedback resistor to set gain around 1020x, and place a 10 μF coupling capacitor on the output to block DC. Once done, power the op-amp from the 9V and tie proper bypass caps to ground to reduce noise. Make sure to test levels into your phone or portable recorder, adjust gain slowly, and watch for clipping on transient sounds. Finish by mounting the circuit in a small enclosure and securing cables with strain relief to avoid microphonics. Solder permanent connections, label input/output, and measure output impedance to match your recorder. This ensures consistent levels. Once done, test recordings and listen for hum or distortion. If you hear hum, check and rewire the ground. If volume is low, verify the coupling caps and increase gain or lower feedback resistance. Make sure to recheck battery voltage. Weak supply causes noise and low headroom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.